In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Gmail account to Outlook. Whether you're looking to manage your emails all in one place or seeking the streamlined efficiency of having your Gmail within Outlook, this guide will be your go-to resource. We'll be walking through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start Outlook on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so, as having the latest version can help avoid any compatibility issues with Gmail. Once Outlook is up and running, navigate to the File tab located at the top left of the window. Clicking this will take you to a screen where you can manage your account settings and related options. Now, look for the Add Account button in the Account Information area and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your Gmail address in the space provided. Type in your full email address. After you've entered your email, click on the Connect button. At this point, Outlook will attempt to connect to Gmail and automatically fill in the necessary server settings. However, if it doesn't, you might need to manually input the incoming and outgoing server details, which are generally found in Gmail's help documentation. Once Outlook has established a connection, a Google login window will appear. Here, you must enter your Gmail password to proceed. Ensure that you enter it carefully to avoid any errors. Upon successful login, you'll see a permissions dialog box. This box is essentially Google's way of asking if it's okay for Outlook to access your Gmail account. It's important to review the permissions it's asking for, but in most cases, you'll want to allow access. So, click Allow. Outlook will then finalize the setup process. You'll likely see a confirmation message that your account has been successfully added. Additionally, there might be a prompt asking if you'd like to set up additional accounts. If you only want to manage your Gmail for now, you can click Done. Once your Gmail is added to Outlook, it's a good idea to go to Outlook's main screen to verify that everything is working correctly. You should be able to see your Gmail's folders, such as Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. Test it out by sending a test email from your Outlook, checking to see it appears properly in your Gmail Sent Items. Remember, emails sent from Outlook while using your Gmail account are synced, meaning they'll appear in real time within your Gmail directly. Finally, if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check both Gmail's and Outlook support resources for troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and now you should have a complete understanding of how to seamlessly integrate your Gmail account into Outlook. Enjoy the added convenience of managing all your emails from a single interface.